Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to teach you how you can add your portfolio to Coinmarketcap. Pretty much you can see all of your assets throughout your whole entire wallet. So I'll teach you how to do that in today's video, so let's get right into it. So first and foremost, you're going to want to head over to the top right hand kind of corner. There's going to be a watch list and then portfolio. Go ahead and click on portfolio. Now from here, you're going to already have a portfolio made. Now you could add transactions or whatever coins you bought, but if you're not entirely accurate of whether you bought or sold, you could create new portfolio here right next to all the other portfolios. Click create new. You have the option to connect your wallet. When you connect your wallet, you don't necessarily have to, do a signature or any of that. You're just pasting your not contract address, but your wallet address into it. So you also have add transaction manually. You could also connect the Binance account and OKX account, so you can see all of your assets in real time. But for an example, today's video, I'm gonna put connect your wallet. So we're gonna name the wallet. We're gonna name it TWG. Actually, this is the wallet address. So this will be like a Solana wallet address, an Ethereum wallet address, BNB wallet address, Sui wallet address, Injective wallet address, and all of that. So I'm gonna put an ETH address, all right, and then we're gonna give this a name. So we're just gonna leave it as the contract address or our address name, and then count as my portfolio, and then click create connection. So what that'll do is it'll pretty much sync whatever you have in your wallet. So basically you'll see that the portfolio sync will be in process, and it does take a couple of moments for it to actually show up, but there you guys go. We now have all of our assets in real time here on CoinMarketCap. So you could pretty much see everything in real time, how it moves and all of that. And that's pretty much how you add a portfolio wallet or your wallet on CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing.